car accidents can cause a number of different injuries. Some of the most common are cervical spine injuries or whiplash. Whiplash can be something that is very minor, that a few days of pain and some treatment with a chiropractor can heal up, or they can be very serious injuries that lead to herniated discs that could lead to surgeries or disc replacements. So if you've been involved in a car accident, it's best to get checked out and make sure that you're okay. Specifically, if you have very intense pain or you have any type of pain that is radiating down an arm. If you have radiation of pain in either one of your hands or fingers, that's an indication that you've herniated the disc, and that disc is pressing on one of the nerve roots exiting from your spine and going down into your hands. This is a sign of a serious condition that needs to be checked out and receive treatment as soon as you can. Does Medicare cover injuries for car accidents? Your Medicare coverage will cover any injuries that you have in a car accident here in the state of Florida. However, under our no-fault system, the PIP insurance that you have on your vehicle and any additional medical payments coverage that you purchase on your vehicle will be primary. No health insurance, Medicare or Medicaid will cover any of your bills until all of those benefits have been exhausted. Once those benefits have been exhausted, then your health insurance and other forms of insurance, including Medicaid, will kick in to cover medical bills that you have incurred. What are the average settlements for neck and back injuries and car accidents? It's impossible to give you an average settlement fee for neck and back injuries. Cervical injuries like whiplash are minor injuries that can heal up a short period of time. In Florida, you're only entitled to get your medical bills and lost wages paid if you do not have a permanent injury. Many cervical and lumbar strains will heal up without a permanent injury. However, if those injuries persist for a period of time, or if diagnostic studies confirm that you have a fracture, a ligament tear, or a herniated disc, these are permanent injuries, and those permanent injuries can have significant values. If you wind up having a herniated disc in your neck and it keeps you from doing your job, you can have hundreds of thousands of dollars in future lost wages. If you have a significant herniated disc and you have to have it removed and have your neck fused or an artificial disc implanted, that will lead to significant medical bills, significant disabilities, and a significant recovery. How long does it take to get compensation after a car accident? That depends on how long it takes you to heal and how bad your injuries are. If you wind up having a cervical whiplash that heals up after 5 or 6 months, you can have a settlement, in that time frame. However, if you have much serious injuries that take years for you to heal or for you to go through all the associated medical treatments that you need, then that's going to take years to settle your case. So how quickly that case settles is completely up to nature, the extent of your injuries, and how long it takes you to heal from them. However, there are different forms of compensation. Under your PIP insurance here in the state of Florida, 60% of your gross lost wages are paid by your PIP insurance. That can be processed as soon as you get an out-of-work slip from your doctor and get documentation of what your lost wages are. It's important to get an attorney quickly because certain portions of your PIP insurance can be reserved to cover your lost wages as opposed to all of those benefits going to the doctors to cover your medical bills. If you've been involved in car accidents, it's important to talk to an experienced lawyer who's handled car accidents for many, many years. Here at Rue Ziffra, we have attorneys that have handled car accidents for over 30 years. There are many different aspects to different cases, many different damages, many different effects on different people's life, depending on the injury you have and the type of life and the type of job and the type of education that you had prior to the accident. So if you've been in an auto accident, call an attorney at Rue Ziffra and let us give you a free consultation about what we can do to help you.